In this experiment, we will investigate the relations between the electric field, the potential difference between two parallel plates, and the separation of the plates. Separate the plates by 10 centimeters. Connect them to an EHT supply and set the voltage to 5 kilovolts. With the help of a wire, charge the strip. Switch on the lamp. Observe the shadow of the strip on a translucent screen. Adjust the voltage of the EHT supply until the deflection of the strip is about 45 degrees. Record the applied voltage. Reduce the separation of the plates by 1 centimeter. Adjust the voltage of the EHT supply until the deflection of the strip is about 45 degrees. Repeat the experiment with different plate separations and record the applied voltage. Use the results to plot a graph of potential difference V between the two plates against their separation D.